I am very proud today to receive you all because what service you all are doing to the nation, to our leader, ex-leader, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, the first Deputy Prime Minister, the first Home Minister, who ruled India, who gave us this freedom. Now you all came with cycles. This freedom we got of cycling by ourselves. This freedom what they fought for. So we should always commemorate their anniversaries. And today our Prime Minister has given us a call to all the states to cooperate with you all. Because you all are doing a yeoman service. Because cycling all the way to Gujarat from here, from Kerala, no?
Kerala,
So from Kerala, it's a yeoman service which you all are making aware to all the citizens of Goa and India. So my heartiest congratulations to you all for taking this prestigious ride. It's not for victory. It is not for victory. It is for prestige, for the safety of our every individual, the Indian. So I congratulate and welcome you. Secondly, I must not forget the officers in charge. I will not take their names, but I am very proud because when they approached me to have this, that we are coming inside, we have as a Goan a unique culture, not separating India, but we are part and parcel of India. But we have got a culture to welcome you all. That family relationship, that gives us the pride in the whole nation. That we Goans are exceptional people, exceptional culture, that we enjoy our life, we serve our country, we serve our state, and we serve every individual. Today, without forgetting the services rendered by officers here, I will be failing in my duty. But I must congratulate with just one word. Congratulations, Chiefs, for all of you. Last but not the least, today we have got a dynamic, young, talented Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant. I don't know if you all know, you must be seeing it. But he is young, he is also cycling, he knows to cycle. That day when he came to Kankona, he started cycling with young youths. So he is a young Chief Minister of Goa who has faced all the turmoils, who have faced all the hardships during the short period of his time, but he has never neglected a single Goan in this state. So I must remember him because he has told us, go and welcome you all. And with his words, I have come here to welcome you all.